The smartphone package includes a high-quality USB Type-C cable, underscoring the importance of durable accessories in extending the device's longevity. A reliable cable is crucial, as it ensures consistent charging and efficient data transfer. Accompanying the smartphone is a 44W fast charger, which plays a vital role in facilitating quick charging. This feature significantly enhances the user experience by substantially decreasing the overall charging time. In terms of design, the smartphone showcases a striking green hue coupled with an impressive camera module. The aesthetic appeal, combined with effective branding, contributes significantly to the overall attractiveness of the device. Furthermore, the smartphone's design incorporates a simple yet visually appealing back panel that enhances its aesthetic appeal. Notably, the quality of materials utilized in its construction is commendable. The device boasts a large AMOLED display, measuring over 6.5 inches, which promotes vibrant colors and excellent brightness levels, thereby ensuring better visibility in various lighting conditions. Moreover, the user interface is meticulously designed to allow for smooth operation, featuring minimal bloatware. This design choice facilitates an enjoyable and efficient user experience. Equipped with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, the smartphone provides ample performance and sufficient space for applications and files. This configuration is widely regarded as well-priced given the specifications offered. The device is powered by a robust 5,500 mAh battery, which delivers excellent battery life, often lasting a day or more on a single charge. This feature proves beneficial for users who engage in heavy usage throughout the day. Featuring a 50MP main camera, the smartphone demonstrates decent camera quality. However, enthusiasts interested in photography may wish to explore alternative options. While the camera performs adequately, it may not meet the expectations of all users. The camera's quality is described as standard yet robust, satisfying general expectations for smartphone photography. This versatility appeals to a broad spectrum of users with varying photography needs. In an inviting gesture, the video encourages viewers to engage by sharing their comments regarding their preferences and experiences with the smartphone. This interaction fosters a sense of community around the channel. The presenter further emphasizes the significance of subscribing and liking the video to gain access to future content. This call to action is a prevalent strategy in social media, aimed at cultivating audience loyalty.